Hi dearest, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel, The Craft. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my own version of the trendy Instagram twisted headband. What can you make use of this? Let me turn around so you see how it looks. Okay, so what do you think? For me, I was thinking bridal shower, baby shower, birthday shower, or the shower. So what do you think? Do let me know in the comments section below. So without wasting much time, let's dive into today's tutorial. Items needed are your 26-inch hot wire wrapped with bias, your scissors, needle and matching thread, 7/8-inch crinoline, uhu gum, your crinoline pipe, and your trimmings. These are 26-inch width hot wire already wrapped with bias. The next thing you want to do is pass your crinoline pipe through the length, so you can cut another 26-inch of pipe, but I would advise you cut excess, so like 28, because you want some excess to be left, and you're going to turn it around and sew it together like so. So keep watching and learning. Remember, if you can't get any of these items used to make this trending Instagram twisted headband, my own style anyway, if you can't get any of these items in your local store, please do check the Amazon and AliExpress link in the description of this video. Yeah, and this my style of trendy Instagram twisted headband actually reminds me of an angel. You know, all those pictures that you watch. So I'm going to be giving out to 7 people who stay till the end and get the answer right. The first 7 people, you're going to get to attend one of my classes for free. You get to know that at the end of this video. So do stick around. Let's keep watching and learning. Can already see my videos are totally loaded, so why not click that subscribe button right now and the bell so you get notified of any of my new upcoming videos. So pause this video, click the subscribe button and the bell. So let's get back into today's training. Next step is to put your uhu gum on another bias and wrap up the part that you have just sewn. So let's keep watching and learning. We're going to do this in 2 places. So after you're done with 2 of them, you take the 2 and you sew them together like so. So keep watching and learning. So that as you're sewing, you're grabbing the bias of the 2 sides together. You turn your thread around it as well. Just make it as firm as possible. Step in my own version of the trendy Instagram twisted headband is to wrap this up with bias. So you're wrapping the 2 up together now so that they stick together as one piece. So keep watching and learning. So if you're gaining value from this video so far, why not click that thumbs up button below this video to let me know that you're gaining value and to encourage me to do much more. Now the next step in my own version of trendy Instagram twisted headband is to cut out 1 yard of my crinoline in 2 places. So that's a total of 2 yards, but I cut them each 1 yard. This is what we're going to use to make the double bow that we put behind the double piped hat wire. Keep watching and learning. After you're done with that, the next thing I do is to take out that thread that is usually at the edge. So you pull it out from the tool that you have cut out. The next step now is to sew the edges. You're going to be sewing each of the edges, the 2 edges of the 1 yard each that you have cut, like so. So keep watching and learn. Okay, so it's set right now. So what we're going to be doing now is to sew the 2 edges together, and then we're going to grab the other part that is down and sew it together to form a bow. Keep watching and learning. This is going to be done also to the other yard that was cut. And once that's done, we're going to take the 2 of them, place them like you see me placing them, and we're going to sew it together. So keep watching and learning. Now the next step in my version of the trendy Instagram twisted headband is to take the pipe that I've sewn and join it to the double bows. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then you also take your cord and wrap it around the sewing. Now my question for you, the 7 winners that's gonna get it, you're gonna be able to attend the Vencraft Academy Fascinator Class 1 for free. The question is, what is the total number of inches of the 7-width crinoline did I use in making this my own version of trendy Instagram twisted headband? Note inches and not yards. So before you leave my channel, do check out this next video on how I made my own version of the trendy Instagram ghillie cap.